DNA sequencing. We can carry the DNA sequencing by two methods. One is the maximum Gilbert method. The other one is the dideoxy method of the Sanger's method. So both the cases we can do the sequencing, but the Sanger's dideoxy method is very popular one. So in case of the maximum Gilbert method, we can digest the DNA based on the purines and pyrimidines. In case of the purines, adenine and guanine, and in case of the pyrimidines, thymine and cytosine. The purines can be modified with methylation. In case of the guanine, we can break the guanine, and adenine will be broken by using the piperidine. So on the other hand, we can also cleave the pyrimidines by using the different chemicals like hydrogen, which makes the break in case of the pyrimidines, whereas sodium chloride, which is useful to break the cytosine. After breaking up these single-stranded DNAs with radio labeled, we can do the electrophoresis with only guanine and cytosine regions, and also adenine and guanine and cytosine and thymine regions. Whenever there is a band with guanine, AG, adenine and guanine, which gives only guanine region, and in the absence of the guanine and having the adenine guanine band, that gives rise to adenine. In the same way, cytosine and thymine cytosine regions banding, that gives only cytosine. In the absence of the cytosine, wherever thymine cytosine lane is there, it gives the thymine-like sequence. By using the radio labels, we can do the electrophoresis. In that electrophoresis, whatever the DNA fragments can be migrate based on the length of the DNA sequences. And after that, we can do the keep the X-ray film on the radio labeled agar gel. We can get the sequence. So that can be converted in the form of the 5 to 3 direction of the one of the template DNA, and after that we can make the complementary sequence. So anyhow, the maximum Gilbert method is not so popular, but we have now the Sanger's dideoxy method. In this case, we can sequence the DNA by using the whatever the region of the chromosome or DNA segment we want to sequence, we can convert first in the form of the single-stranded DNA. In that, we need to sequence by using the primer and DNA polymerase enzyme. So in addition to that, we have the 4 reaction wells. In this, each reaction well which is containing the template DNA and a primer, and we have the DNA polymerase 1, which is lacking 5 to 3 exonuclease activity, that is known as the Klenow fragment. And we can add the normal bases in the form of the DNTPs. And also in each reaction vessel, we can add the dideoxy bases. In one tube, we can add the dideoxy adenine. Another tube, we can add the dideoxy guanine and dideoxy cytosine, dideoxy thymine. Like this, we have the normal DNTPs with 3 hydroxy group, 99%, or lacking of 3 hydroxy groups at only 1% of the bases. So all these we can allow for the synthesis of the DNA. Whatever the dideoxy base which is encountered, so the ester bond formation will not be takes place in each reaction vessel. So because of that, we can get the discrete length of the DNA segments. And also we can use one of the DNTPs in the form of the radio label. So after that, these DNA fragments will be done electrophoresis by using the 4-lane method. We can load the DNA segments into the each well of the polyacrylamide gel. And also we can see the not to self-anneal the single-stranded DNAs by using the different chemicals like urea and other things, formamide, which won't allow for the self-annealing. After that, we can do the electrophoresis, and we can take the whatever the polyacrylamide gel, we can keep the X-ray film on that. We can get the sequences of the respective bases, and we can convert in the form of the 5-3 strand, and we can make it all complementary strand another direction. So like this we can do the DNA sequencing. So in this case we can use the radio labels and 4-lane method. So after that we developed in the form of the fluorescent dyes by Leeuwenhoek and others, and these fluorescent dyes which are used in the form of the adenine with green color, guanine with pink color, thymine with the blue color, and cytosine with the other color. 4 bases with the 4 colors with the dideoxy bases. In this case also we have the template DNA and primer and DNA polymerase in the form of the Klinos fragment. After that it will be terminated just like what we observed in case of the dideoxy bases. So each case they are terminated, and we can get the discrete length of the DNA fragments. So in this we can do the electrophoresis in the form of the instead of 4-lane method, we can do the single-lane method by using the capillary electrophoresis. In this method of DNA sequencing, the sequencing takes place very rapid, and 4-lane is converted to single lane because of the capillary electrophoresis, and also these fluorescent dyes with using the argon laser beam. So whatever the DNA fragments which are moving based on the length, with the help of the laser beam we can take into sequencing, that is automated DNA sequencing. So not only that, the DNA sequencing earlier it is done by using the hierarchical fashion, and that is replaced with the shotgun method. In case of the hierarchical fashion, we can take the 1 lakh fragment by knowing left and right borders, and we can break into 500 base pairs, and we can sequence and we can align, and we will get it in the form of the hierarchical fashion of the DNA sequencing. And this is replaced with the shotgun method by using the Craig Venter and Hamilton Smith shotgun method. Not knowing the left and right borders, we can make the entire genome into small fragments, and we can sequence the at 4x times, and after that we can align and we can construct a sequence. That is what shotgun method. The shotgun method more advanced than the hierarchical fashion. It is developed by the Craig Venter, Hamilton, Smith, and they used the Haemophilus genome first, and they sequenced and they are succeeded. That is implemented in other methods, other organisms like yeast and C. elegans and Drosophila melanogaster. They succeeded and they implemented the same thing in the other organisms, and because of that DNA sequencing, which is done very rapid fashion by replacing the hierarchical with the shotgun method.